How you all doing? I know I've not uploaded a video in about 2 months, but that's because I'm really busy with university. Welcome back to IB Made Easy, and I just want to tell you guys that I've uploaded all my IAs and EE and my ToK Essay, everything that I have to do with IB on the website now, because now I'm officially allowed by the IBO to do so. And yeah, go download that. If you want me to put my personal statement from my university, or you want anything else, just comment down on one of the videos and I would help you out. I still respond to comments on the website, I still respond to comments on the YouTube channel. So the frequency of the videos is reduced, but if you guys really want to know about something, just let me know and I'll make a quick video about that. And I can accept emails. My email is on the website as well. Still keep in contact with me. IB Made Easy is still a free online consultation platform. So yeah, good luck, and I know you guys are gonna rock your IB exams.